Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower drawer cover glass shelf in this GE refrigerator, fully remove both the middle drawer and the lower drawer. You can now remove the old glass shelf from the cover, if still intact. To install the new glass shelf, insert the front edge of the glass into the cover first, then lower the rear edge. Replace the lower drawer, as well as the middle drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.